Hello, thanks for tuning in. It's Leela from Miss Leela Pink Journey, and I'm just sharing a quick video on how I create some of my patches for memory bears and also for memory keepsakes and other items. I normally will add tearaway stabilizer or wash away stabilizer, water soluble stabilizer, anything like that in my hoop, and I will actually add the fabric and I'll stitch out the design that I have created using the Embrilliance software, Merrowly software from the Embrilliance program. I have a video where I show how I actually create patches using that software. It's so easy to me. I did a step-by-step showing what I do, and it may not be the actual way to do it, but it's just how I do it and how I get it done. I stitch onto stabilizer. After I do the first outline stitch, I will use my small applique scissors to cut out the actual patch, whether it's a rectangle, a heart, or whatever it is. Then I'll stitch the words. Also, you can add a different backing if you'd like. I can do another video on how I do that as well. I'll do a video on that one day. I might have one. I have to look through my playlist myself. So after I've stitched the actual design, I use my applique scissors to you can either cut out the design or you can just tear it away if it's on tearaway stabilizer. The water soluble stabilizer kind of just rips right off, and so does the wash away stabilizer. You can cut that out and then you can just rinse off the back of the actual patch. After I have removed the stabilizer, you can remove it really nice and clean with the applique scissors. You can kind of tear off the rest of the tearaway stabilizer, and then you can clean it up really good with your applique scissors, or you can also grab maybe I have a soldering iron. I have a couple things that I can clean up the actual patch material. So this is what I did with fabric only. Sometimes I use twill. Sometimes I use cotton twill. Sometimes I use patch material, different kinds. So enjoy. Have any questions, just leave me a message. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.